Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are going to discuss simple present tense. It is also known as present indefinite tense. So let's begin. First of all, before going to tense, I would like to eradicate a misconception. This is not present indefinite tense. Definite means uncertain thing, whether you do or not. So it is utterly wrong to denote indefinite with this. This is simple present tense, and this is a great misconception which usually teachers also pronounce it present indefinite tense. First of all, where we use it? Its uses are to show routine work, habitual action, and universal truths. How we recognize this tense? पहचान के तौर पे हम कहेंगे उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ताहु वगैरह इस किस्म के वर्ड्स आएंगे. Now we move towards its sentence structure. It has two sentence structure. If our subject is first person, second person, and third person plural, then we use this structure. We just do this. We put subject after this verb and then object. But if our subject is third person singular means he, she, it, Sajid, etc. and a single name, then we use this structure subject, verb, SRES plus object. For example, he buys food. Now we should clear that where we use S and where we use ES. So if any verbs that ends on SH, CH, X, O, S, then we use ES with third person singular. Keep in mind. For example, finish, then it will be he finishes his work. For example, another verb, catch, cox, goes, cross. So now we will go towards this negative sentences. How we make negative of this tense? We put a helping verb which is known as do, and its other form is does. This helping verb we use, and then we use not. Then first form of verb and object. Subject plus do not plus first form of verb and object. For example, I do not cross the river. But in this case, we use subject plus does not plus first form of verb, original form of verb. Now we will erase SRES, that was pertaining at the end of the first form. So verb and object. He does not. Here we put S, but now we have terminated the S from here. He does not buy a pen. This is its negative structure. Now we go towards its interrogative or interrogative. We usually pronounce it interrogative. It is incorrect. The correct is interrogative. Now we go towards interrogative sentences. We put helping verb in the beginning, then subject, then verb, and then object, and at the end we use question mark. For example, do I cross the river? And after this we put question mark. Does he speak truth? I think now you have taken an idea of simple present. Now we begin some practice with this, and you will practice this tense at your own. If you want to follow these patterns, then you should have proficiency in your language, and your speaking power will be automatically enhanced. So, if you want to practice this on your own. Inshallah, see you in next video with new tense. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.